Keep me company as we tour 326 Meadowbrook Road here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm your host, Mark Weinberg, and we are going to have this gorgeous tour of the top luxury home here in Charlotte in Eastover. This house has it all. Sit back, relax, and just enjoy the luxury and opulence that this custom house has. It is unbelievable. The house is 4,590 heated square feet, grand total of 5,390 square feet. Two-story, drop-dead gorgeous house for you to view today. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding areas, then subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know that's what's going on here in the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. My team and I get calls, texts, emails from people just like you reaching out to us every day. Also looking to move here to the Carolinas in the Charlotte region. So are you thinking about making a move to Charlotte? Then you've come to the right place. If you're looking to move here 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, I'm your guide. Let me show you why. Are you moving across town or across the country? Let us help you with your local real estate needs. We can help you find the right place at the right time and in the right time frame that you need. This is why we can help you save time, energy, and ultimately money. Thanks so much. Stay tuned. So let's start off this wonderful tour down here in the kitchen. As you can see, there's two magnificent islands giving you luxury and ultimate space to do what you need and storage galore. Also, the views are just unbelievable. You have windows and windows and windows showing the beautiful daylight coming in throughout. Here you can see the family room, which is right next to the kitchen, and get a perfect view of everything. Gorgeous floating staircase take you upstairs, and in the back here there is the extra bedroom downstairs where you have the shared bathroom across. This house checks so many boxes for so many different buyers. You're looking for ultra luxury and you want a modern feel, then this is the place for you. As you make it upstairs, you are greeted by the primary suite, which has a nice California closet in it, and the primary bed, windows, and windows. Take a look at this view into your backyard, showing the fire pit, the pool, and the hot tub. How many wonderful evenings can you have out there? Wow. Views upon views upon views. Windows galore. Now, are you looking for the ultimate luxury in a primary bath? Are you looking for that spa-like feeling? Well, what we have here is that. You have the soaking tub that you just sit back, relax, and let all of your stress get washed away. Enjoy this tour. Tell me, what room was your favorite, and let me know what you think the price of this gorgeous property should be. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know, I truly appreciate you paying attention to the entire video. I want to help you make the move. Again, if it's a 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, I'm your guide. Let us show you why. We look forward to showing you around town and finding the right house at the right place at the right time. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Mark Weinberg, your favorite local realtor. Bye.